Thanks for joining me while I share one of my favorite snacks. I'll be dipping French bread toast into some organic olive oil and balsamic vinegar. And the real magic here is using the right oil and the right vinegar. I've got Napa Valley Naturals organic olive oil from the Mediterranean, and it's blended from a couple of different olives. Its aromas are fresh, buttery smooth, a little bit nutty, and slightly fruity. And I'll be using Lucini Italia Savory Fig Artisan Vinegar. Looking forward to that. This is one powerhouse of a balsamic of Modena. Absolutely packed with flavor. It's on the sweeter side, spicy, very fruity. The figs and winey sort of flavor are at the forefront, and it is unbelievably complex. I love this stuff. Once the two are mixed together neatly, it's time to bring on the toast. I like to toast it in a pan with a little bit of butter. Gives it a gorgeous crisp on one side that goes so well with this. And all it took was one bite to send me to a whole nother solar system. This is the secret sauce right here. If you were looking for it, you found it. It's near impossible to stop at one bite. One leads to the next so well. The rich smoothness of the organic olive oil mixes so well with the intense complexity and sweetness of the savory fig vinegar. Wow, it's a match made in heaven. Pardon me while I eat some more of this. It's too good to stop now. My wife thinks I'm funny for picking up French bread so often lately, but she keeps coming over and asking for some. So I'd encourage you to give this a try with these ingredients as well. I'll put a link in the description for you.